Hey there, how you guys doing? Okay, so let's talk about another misconception. Some people think that when you take the binomial a plus b or a minus b, quantity means parentheses, and you take that quantity and you square it, it's as simple as doing a squared plus or minus b squared. Here's how we're going to determine if this is true or not. We're going to do things the long way. Because if the long way and the shortcut match, that means the shortcut works, but it's got to work every time. So here's a binomial, x plus 3, quantity squared. Now, the long way is to remember what the square means. So sidetrack, 5 squared, what does that mean? Sure, that means 5 times 5. That means take the base and write it twice according to the exponent. Well, in this case, my base is x plus 3. And according to the exponent, I'm supposed to take x plus 3, and I'm supposed to write it twice. Now, you know how to distribute binomials as well as I do, so let's do this. So we're going to do x times the parenthesis x plus 3, and then we have this plus 3 times that parenthesis x plus 3. It's like a double distribution, and some of you haven't learned another way. That's great. We come up with the same answer. I personally like to call it a double distribution. And so anyway, we get x squared plus 3x plus 9, which gives me x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now that's the long way. Are you with me? If we did the shortcut, or we're thinking it's a shortcut, and we take x plus 3, and we do what this is telling us, that means I would take x squared plus 3 squared, which would give me x squared plus 9. Does a shortcut match the long way? It does not, which means a shortcut does not work, which means this is not true. By the way, addition and subtraction act like super glue. You can never look at things separately. It will always make you do things the long way. Addition and subtraction will always make you do things the long way. That's just the way it goes. They're easy. I can easily add things. I can easily subtract numbers. But when it comes to putting them in a parenthesis, you've kind of super glued them together. And to deal with an exponent or even a root, yeah, there's no shortcut there. Okay? So this is not a true statement, which means there is no shortcut to ever distributing or squaring, shall I say, a binomial. Good? Okay, so I've got some examples coming your way. Work on them first before you look at my answer key video. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side.